We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star, top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.